Hello, I'm David Taston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news that jobs growth in America is now very uncertain. The US reports its non-farm payroll report this weekend, and analysts are expecting July jobs to have bounced back by 1.6 million people. That would mean that since March, 9 million people have been re-employed of the 21.5 million who lost their jobs in the period. The precursor ADP employment report was out today, and analysts expected it to show a July bounce back of 1.5 million. In the end, however, it was only a paltry 167,000, and a worrying portent for the non-farm payrolls release. August kicks off the withdrawal of the special $600 pandemic boost for joblessness, and 870,000 workers will progressively lose that in this month. As many as 20 million more will lose it next month. It's an income withdrawal that the US economy will notice. And the widely watched ISM Services PMI did provide a sentiment boost, however, bouncing back in the second quarter with a strong monthly expansion in July, one that was better than expected. But perhaps it's a jobless recovery. Certainly the employment subcategory suggests that, with a further contraction within this result. Businesses are taking on new orders, but don't believe the situation will last, so they aren't hiring. And China is moving faster to wean itself off its reliance on the US dollar as trade tensions mounts. It is waiving transaction fees between the yuan and 12 currencies for 3 years in its offshore foreign exchange markets in an attempt to get traders to skip using the greenback. It's just what they're doing also in tech. Indonesia's economy suffered its sharpest downturn since the 1998 Asian financial crisis. In the second quarter of 2020, their economy contracted by more than 5%, in its first contraction since that earlier crisis. And millions are out of work there, and social pressures can build quickly in the world's fourth largest country, one that has a population more than 10 times as large as its southern neighbour Australia. Another day, another new rise in iron ore prices, which are now at a year-on-year high. And the US Treasury 10-year yield is up 3 basis points today, now just on 0.54% and off its record lows. And the gold price is higher yet again today, up $21 to $2,039 an ounce, and a new record high. At one point, it reached $2,056 an ounce. The silver price is up proportionally more, up 3.8% overnight, and that too was up even more earlier in the day. Oil prices are stable today. They're now just on $42 a barrel in the US, and the international price is now just on $45 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is firmer marginally against the US, currently at 66.4 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we're lower at 92.4 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're down to 56.1 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index is a little softer at 69.3. I'm David Taston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.